Welcome to my boring opinion.
Okay, I'm back again. In this video, I'm going to do a review on one of the apps I've been experimenting with on my smartphone. The Storywriter app from Google Play. The one that kind of has like a little pencil logo thing. We can look at you go to Google Chrome and the Google Store and type in Storywriter. You see, you know what I'm talking about. Not to be confused with Story Creator, which looks like a book with a dragon in it. Okay, so here's my review so far. For the most part, it is a very good app to have, except for one thing. Now, I don't know if anyone else has been having the same problem that I've been having with it. I could put up with it. Now, if you have to watch a little, like an ad or something, I'm fine with that. My problem is, it keeps crashing every time you try to export your ebook. It plays the video, and then the app crashes. I am seriously thinking about going back to the Story Creator, which that app just kind of stopped working or something on its own, which I'm kind of experimenting with on my tablet, which I guess one originally wasn't for. I don't know, maybe with my tablet I've updated since then. Maybe the Story Creator is gotten better or something. I don't know. Anyways, the Story Creator, it seems like a better option for me. Although, I still can't find anything that kind of makes it exactly the way I like it, like a multi-page ebook form. Trying to create something like real long paragraphs. Of course, these right here, though, what I was starting with were more like, maybe like real, like small, mini ebooks, which I've kind of divided into several different pages. And so, I don't know what's going on with that. Maybe that's one of the reasons that it's not in multi-page form or something. So yeah, I did the Storywriter. So far, I am seriously thinking about removing it from my phone and going back to the Story Creator. Which I hope Story Creator fixed its issues. However, the issue that I have with it is small compared to not being able to publish the ebook at all. The ebook kind of keeps, it just keeps, crashing. It's not supposed to crash when you try to export an ebook into an EPUB or a zip file. So yeah, I originally gave this app like a 5-star rating. Now I'm gonna have to update the review and give it a 2-star rating or a 1-star rating or something. See if anybody kind of responds to it before I officially remove it. Now, is anybody else having trouble with the Storywriter app? The one that kind of looks like a It has like a pencil logo with a kind of white lines, and we can look up Storywriter. You know what I'm talking about. It looks like a pencil. And then I don't know if it'd be on top or not. I think the Story Creator would be on top. Story Creator looks like a book with a dragon on it. Might have to go back to that. Yeah, that's it for this video. Bye.
This has been my boring opinion.
Thanks for watching my video, and feel free to check out TubeBuddy. The link is in the description.